It's Giacomo speaking. Thanks for watching this quick video and update on Triple Q or Invesco Triple Q Trust. That it is just a trust that follows the Nasdaq 100 index. That is just the index. You know what is an index. If you don't know, please just read it, Google it, because it's important to know where you are investing the money. So this is a trust that follows the Nasdaq 100. That Nasdaq 100 can be considered as a pot with the biggest 100 companies, mainly in the US, like in technologies or even in pharmaceutical field, etc., etc. Perhaps Facebook, Microsoft are part of this index, but just please read before investing in this stock. So in front of us there is 1 hour candlestick showing the price movement, and again, this using just a simple exponential moving average, we are able to find the trend line, and this, as we can see, is just a bullish trend, uptrend, upward trend. And this trend line, blue line, worked perfectly again as support for the next rallies. So he has just defined the bottoms or the throats of the rallies of this, let's say, uptrend market. So based on my technical analysis interpretation, this is how it looks like, and actually I was telling you that there's some notes about this stock, about this index Nasdaq 100. Just those are the main companies being part of this Nasdaq 100 index. So generally there is a weakness signal based mainly on technical analysis again, where the trend line, that is this dotted red line, has been broken at the beginning of September, and generally when something like that happened can be seen as a weakness signal. It's too early to say that it has been it's the start of a reversal signal. We cannot say that. As we can see, the volume there, very high volume, and the stock was even in oversold, and there's massive volume there, and now there is just normal volume. But when there was a breakout, generally there is a lot of volumes there going on. As we can see, the level of volume was very high. The idea is that the price, generally when something like that happens, the price will go down up to this level, $255, because it's easy to determine this value, because it's just the depth of this peak projected from the breakout of the trend line. So the idea is that this price will go down up to this level, and if this level will work as support, the next step will be to go long, but just to wait at the end of this price retracement before going long with the new target price of $290. Before going long, just be sure that this support level will not be broken. What can happen, the other option is that this support will be broken, and then a bearish market might start. It's very this is the last option. It's not the most likely probable option that is gonna happen, because generally when with a very strong uptrend that started from beginning of May, it's actually even April, and so it's been there in place for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 months. So it's very strong uptrend, and generally the prices tend to follow the trend rather than revert it. So it's easier for a trend to keep going in that direction rather than invert the trend. So that's why, based on probabilities, the idea is to go long, but just to wait this price retracement end, and then we can go long, and perhaps it can happen to this support level of 255. Short terms, if you want, you can risk, but it's too risky to go short, because we are investing in the opposite direction of the major trend. So I would wait before going long again, or perhaps if something goes up and around this level, the idea is perhaps to hold and to see if really this one can be seen as reversal signal or not. That's all from my side. Thanks. Bye.